everyone. Here I am once again to update you on the highlights of Cosan's last quarter results. The last months brought a good deal of optimism to the market with indications of better times ahead. As vaccination advances, so does the recovery in demand from virtually every sector of the economy. Our companies continue to do their homework well, following safety protocols and executing our business strategy with discipline. As leaders in the segments in which we operate, all companies presented good performance, delivering relevant EBITDA growth. Let's go to the business highlights, starting with Raízen. In renewables and sugar, we started the sugarcane crop season with a drop in crushing and agricultural yields, affected by drier climate, partially offset by better TRS. The impacts on Raízen sugarcane fields, however, were lower than the market average, as we are making the necessary investments to boost productivity and operational efficiency. The attractive pricing scenario encouraged the acceleration of the sales of own ethanol and sugar, maximizing the portfolio profitability in the period and boosting EBITDA. In marketing and services, the volume of fuels sold in Brazil and Argentina surpassed historical levels for the period, we gained market share, and the margins have been recovering. In Compass Gás e Energia, the impressive results reflect the activity resumption in the sector served by Comgás, the increase in the customer base, and the continuous search for operational efficiency. Movi reported yet another quarter of consistent performance, supported by expanding sales volume across all countries. And Rumo leveraged its performance, increasing transported volume and consolidating its commercial strategy. A point of attention here, the corn crop setback, as well as the uncertainties related to the volume in the fourth quarter, should impact Rumo's short-term results, so the company decided to suspend its guidance for 2021 without changing the long-term projections. The last months have been particularly intense at Cosan, with many important achievements. Let's recap the events of the period. We capitalized at Compass with a private placement to Optimus, further preparing the company to capture new opportunities, maintaining adequate levels of leverage. We made quite good progress in building the business model with recent announcements of the signing of the contract to acquire 51% of Gaspetro and the beginning of construction of the regas terminal in Santos, São Paulo. On the other hand, Compass decided to substantially reduce its directional power trading activities. We also issued 2 billion reais worth in long-term debentures at Cosan as part of ongoing liability management process. And last but not least, we concluded Raízen's listing on B3, the fifth largest IPO in the Brazilian market, injecting 6.9 billion reais into the company. The plan is to accelerate projects to increase the supply of renewable energy by maximizing the use of biomass, which will enable the reduction of emissions to our clients. Raízen is reinventing the future of energy, for real. We already have contracted the demand for 1 billion liters of E2G, second-generation ethanol, in the next decade. On the M&A agenda, we implemented bold moves, such as closing the purchase of Biosev, entering the fuels distribution market in Paraguay, and acquiring Shell's lubricants assets in Brazil. Talking about EESG, we recently released the 2020 annual sustainability reports of our subsidiaries, prioritizing the material aspects and reinforcing the commitments established by each of them. Also, Cosan was recognized for its good ESG practices, and once again, we were selected to be part of the FTSE for Good. Over half of 2021 is behind us already, with excellent results so far. But we remain cautious as new coronavirus variants such as Delta keep emerging. We must keep focused on overcoming the challenges and capturing opportunities linked to the economic recovery. We are committed to continue doing whatever is within our reach to contribute to civil society and to the country's sustainable development, generating value to all of our stakeholders. For more details, please visit our website. Stay well and take care.